23, officers were dispatched to an airport gate in response to a disorderly and intoxicated woman on a Southwest flight. She reportedly attempted multiple times to exit the plane through the rear hatch and was argumentative with the crew.
Hey, what's going on?
It's okay at this moment. There's a lady inside the bathroom in here. She's changing clothes because I think she doesn't want to be recognized. She wasn't here.
Oh, someone told us she's intoxicated.
Well, I haven't physically seen her yet. This is coming from the crew.
Yeah, she was under the influence of something. She tried to leave the secure area, so I tried to grab onto her. She shoved me, so I shoved her back to keep her out of the secure area.
Do we have an idea of her motives, or?
I don't know if it was just under the influence. I don't know if something else.
You don't even have a seat number either, right?
Well, we don't have that.
We don't have
so, yeah.
Oh, that's right. That's
So she was just on board, yeah. And, the crew's fine. There's nothing to do with it.
It didn't impede the flight.
Okay. It's just the intent of whatever she was trying to do.
Let's go back over here by the waterfront. You okay? What's going on with you? What's going on?
I can't even explain it, but...
Stand right here. Stand right here by the water. What? You said you're not okay. Why aren't you okay?
Because I have an ex who's like...
Ariel Lehigh.
I'm going to take it out of your wallet, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, your wallet.
Can you explain to us what happened on the airplane? Apparently, you had a couple steps that you took in or anything like that.
David Edward Sam.
That's why we're here.
Robert
We don't
Edward
bother
Sam.
people for no reason
His
at
name
all.
is Ariel. Adam Robert.
So the crew says that you tried to go out the back door a couple times.
Her date of birth is 2/29 of 80. Away from
You don't remember trying to open any doors or anything like that. There's somebody here to pick you up.
No, I have to Uber to my best friend's house,
Okay.
which is in my phone, which...
All right.
Have you already called him?
I don't know. You guys have
Where's
my
your phone?
Right
We
here.
don't have your phone.
Oh, wait a minute. Here's your ID, ma'am. Thank you for letting me look at it.
I'm being serious. Like, this is the weirdest...
Be off the airplane.
No, I asked her specifically. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. All right.
Well, there's a few people said the same thing, ma'am. We're not here to. We're here to offer you help as well as look and see why you did it.
All right, so here's my thing. So here is my best friend's phone number on my phone. So
Okay, on there.
Ma'am, you talking with them that you mentioned somebody didn't like you or you had a problem with somebody. Is that back home?
Yes.
Okay, it's not here. You came here for vacation.
Yes.
Okay, all right, I understand. I don't know unless I ask you.
Like, all of a sudden, like, I can't even, like...
because like I am
Listen. He and her are not the only ones that saw what we're describing to you. But it's fine. Pick up your stuff. We'll get you over here.
You're going to get your suitcase. You're going to get your
my
suitcase.
suitcase. That's
And then you get your ride.
To where?
Wherever you want to go.
Here, and then everybody's gonna kill me here, and then
It's wherever you want to go.
and then I can go back home.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. You're not in trouble.
Yeah. Why'd you come here? You came to visit somebody. Wherever
Yeah,
that
no
is.
shit. So
Well, take your Uber there.
Let's go. Yeah.
no.
We're taking you to your Uber.
Can you stop?
No, I cannot, because you're not listening.
Okay, that's
The alternative. Now I'm gonna start videoing you so your behavior's on file. Every time you see this red camera blinking, it's recording you. Audio and video. So I would suggest good behavior. Let's go.
Let's just all have a building. So please go sit next to me.
Why'd you do?
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I actually just wanna like.
we live here.
Can you guys just like?
That's still kind of fun.
Listen, Lenny, I can't let you go do what you want to do because you're trying to go with the wrong doors in the plane, wrong doors at the gate. Next thing you know, you'll be walking across a runway. You get.
Off of my control. You are. Yeah, I get that. But you're gonna totally take everything else. Get off of
the elevator down to, we're going to be in charge now, not you, okay?
Yeah. Mom, I'm being escorted out by. Get the. I'm under arrest.
Might as well get off your
I
phone.
know. I look like I'm kidding you. Christina.
Once you get her cuff, we'll get that.
Hey,
I
Billy,
can't. Oh my God.
Ma'am,
What
stop.
did I do?
Ma'am,
What
stop.
did I do?
stop.
You had your
I didn't
opportunity.
do
Ma'am,
what?
stop.
Have a conversation with you when you deny everything. You're denying everything. You said you didn't try to get off the airplane. You said you didn't try to push anybody.
This is like the.
But you have a whole crew and a whole airplane full of people saying you did those things. The booking first.
Why would I even be booking? I'm not.
You're under arrest, miss.
For what?
Disorderly.
I wasn't even like on the plane. Like this is.
Ma'am.
We already discussed this, and that's why I don't want to have a conversation with you. You deny everything. Everybody's the bad person. The crew members aren't. All you had to do was obey.
No, that is a lie on why I'm in handcuffs. All I had to do was obey.
All you had to do obey.
Oh, okay.
You wanted to wander off on your own. That wasn't
No,
happening.
what? That is not what happened.
That's why we can't have a conversation.
Oh, right. Oh, okay.
So
because-
just exercise your right to be silent. How's that?
Yeah, about that. Wait till this shit comes.
To put up with
Yeah,
it.
like, oh my God.
You're just gonna have to put up with it.
Really? Can't get it out of my face.
Yeah, just shake your head somehow.
Please, I need it out of my face, please. Out of my, that's all I need is out of my face.
Yeah, if he
I
doesn't get
can't.
off,
It's not going
well,
anywhere.
then leave it alone.
I can't.
Yeah.
Please, can you? Anyway,
Ma'am, you're approaching an officer.
I'm asking just somebody just to take the hair out of my face.
Nobody's gonna do that.
Please, just the
You,
hair
that's
out of
your
my
problem.
face. That's all
You
I
don't
want.
obey.
Swipe my head. That's all I'm asking. I don't give two fucks in the two. Just one swipe. Just one swipe in my head, please.
I'm hearing voices.
Just one. Stop grabbing my fucking.
Well, I don't
arm,
want you
like-
to keep trying to approach officers.
That's her stuff.
Yeah, she's got another bag.
You guys are like, you are totally like this.
That's why you're in handcuffs.
Yeah. Really? Because.
The woman was charged with disorderly intoxication and released to her friend the next morning. What are your thoughts?